Hi everyone, welcome back. I was over at the Outdoor Basics the other day there, and they had a nice wee setup over the fire, and I just thought it was really convenient with a different method of using a pot hook. Here it's here. So this is my demo pit fire, and I'm just giving it a try out. So I've set it up and it's working really good. Just keep adjusting the height of the pot hook as the fire dies down, just by putting this wee pole through individual holes. And I've done all the wee holes here on the pot hook with the Terrasaw by Condor, and it done a really good job. So it got in there and made these holes no bother at all, so it's really good for that. There we go. Good wee setup. I've just made a wee platform here to sit my water bottle and cup on. It's working really well. Shoot it around. I just tied it off a bit of string. Probably need a bit of adjustment through time. It's doing good so far. So there you go. If you can think of any improvements I should do to it, give us a shout, put a couple of comments in. I'll catch you all in the next video. See you soon.